In this video, we will see how the download token feature helps OpenKM users share documents with external users without requiring them to log into the application. To do this, we right-click on the document, go to the Notification option, and then select Generate Download Link. Here, we can specify the number of links we want to generate and whether we want the link sent to an email address. We generate it, copy the link, save it in a file, and close it. If we go to the Administration section, we have the Download Tokens option under Utilities. From here, the administrator can control the documents that have been shared and the users who shared them. Now, we will copy the download link, access the browser, and see that the document has been downloaded. If we return to the administration and refresh, we can see that the link has been used. Finally, we will delete this download token. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.